Simultaneous election to the Lok Sabha and the state assemblies will limit the amount of time and money spent in electioneering, but it will reduce the government's accountability to the people. Discuss 150 words, 10 marks. Introduction. Simultaneous elections, or One Nation, One Election, propose conducting Lok Sabha and state assembly elections at the same time in India. This idea aims to streamline the electoral process, conserve resources, and minimize disruptions caused by frequent elections. Body. Advantages of simultaneous elections. Saving resources. It can significantly reduce financial and administrative costs, as well as time spent on campaigning. Policy continuity. Fewer elections can lead to better long-term planning by governments instead of short-term, election-driven policies. Reduced election fatigue. Holding elections less frequently may help maintain voter interest and increase turnout. Mitigating Model Code of Conduct impact. This code can delay developmental projects during elections, which could be minimized. Disadvantages of simultaneous elections. Reduced government accountability. Fewer elections mean fewer chances for citizens to express dissatisfaction with the government. Dilution of local issues. Combining elections may shift focus from local to national issues. Impact on coalition governments. Forming coalitions may be more challenging in this setup, especially in hung parliaments. Constitutional challenges. Implementing this system could require significant amendments to the constitution, complicating the process. Conclusion. While simultaneous elections could save time and resources, they may also reduce government accountability. It is crucial to carefully consider both the advantages and disadvantages before making such changes to ensure a positive outcome for India's democracy.